Hey there, welcome back. Today we have the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus. And in this video, I'll guide you through how to use the second space feature on your device. Follow the steps carefully to create and manage a separate space easily. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Now let's begin.